and welcome to this tutorial on understanding container vulnerability scanning tools and practices for securing Docker images. As container adoption grows, so do the challenges of securing containerized applications. In this tutorial, we'll explore why vulnerability scanning is essential for securing Docker images, introduce popular scanning tools like Clair, Ensure, and CVEs, and discuss best practices for integrating security into your DevOps workflow. Before we begin, let's take a look at our agenda. In this lesson, we'll cover the following topics: why container vulnerability scanning is essential, understanding the risks of vulnerable container images, key tools for vulnerability scanning, a deep dive into popular tools like Clair, Ensure, CVEs, and others. Best practices for secure containers, how to effectively integrate security scanning into C/CD pipelines. Let's dive in. Container vulnerability scanning is a critical security practice for detecting and mitigating security risks in Docker images. Here is why it matters. 1. Preventing known exploits. By scanning for vulnerabilities listed in the National Vulnerability Database, NVD, and other security feeds, scanning tools help detect known weaknesses that attackers could exploit. 2. Securing supply chains. Modern containerized applications often pull dependencies from multiple external sources, such as open source libraries and packages. Scanning tools assess these dependencies to ensure they are not introducing vulnerabilities. 3. Complying with security policies. Many organizations operate under strict security compliance guidelines, such as PCI DSS or HIPAA, which require regular security checks. Vulnerability scanning tools help ensure compliance by flagging any issues that could jeopardize adherence to these policies. Now, let's explore some of the most widely used container vulnerability scanning tools. 1. Clair. Developed by CoreOS, now part of Red Hat, Clair is an open-source tool that performs layer-by-layer analysis of container images. It detects known vulnerabilities by referencing vulnerability databases. Clair integrates with C/CD pipelines, making it easy to automate security scans. 2. Ensure. Ensure offers deep analysis of container images, scanning packages, configurations, and libraries. It provides policy-based security enforcement, allowing teams to block images with critical vulnerabilities. Automates vulnerability scanning within C/CD pipelines. 3. CVEs. CVEs is a lightweight, fast scanner that requires minimal setup. It detects vulnerabilities in system packages and application dependencies. Kubernetes-native, making it a great choice for containerized deployments. 4. Docker security scanning. Built into Docker Hub for commercial users. Offers native integration with Docker workflows. Provides automated scans upon image builds. 5. Aqua Security. Enterprise-grade tool providing vulnerability scanning and runtime protection. Integrates with DevSecOps workflows for continuous security enforcement. Monitors running containers for abnormal behavior, providing real-time protection. To maximize the effectiveness of vulnerability scanning, follow these best practices. 1. Automate scanning in CI/CD pipelines. Security should not be an afterthought. By integrating container vulnerability scanning tools into your CI/CD pipelines, you can automate the detection of vulnerabilities during the build process. This ensures that no vulnerable code is deployed into production environments, reducing the risk of exploitation. 2. Scan images regularly. Container images are built on software packages that may become outdated or vulnerable over time. Regularly scanning images ensures that new vulnerabilities are detected even after an image has been built. Schedule periodic scans, especially for long-running containers. 3. Use trusted base images. When pulling base images from public registries like Docker Hub, ensure that they are from trusted sources. Verified and official images are generally more secure and maintained with regular updates. Scanning these base images should also be part of your vulnerability management strategy. 4. Address vulnerabilities before deployment. When vulnerabilities are detected, make sure to address them before pushing images to production. Tools like Ensure allow you to define policies that block images containing critical vulnerabilities. Remediate vulnerabilities by updating packages, configuring secure defaults, and removing unnecessary dependencies. 5. Monitor running containers. Vulnerability scanning isn't just for static images. Monitor your running containers for abnormal behavior or security issues that might occur at runtime. Tools like Aqua Security offer runtime monitoring and protection to detect and respond to attacks in real time. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this lesson. We explored the importance of container vulnerability scanning in securing Docker images. We introduced popular scanning tools like Clair, Ensure, and Trivi. We discussed best practices for integrating vulnerability scanning into C/CD pipelines. By incorporating these tools and best practices into your DevOps workflow, you can significantly reduce security risks and ensure your containerized applications remain secure. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.